So you have this system that has the pre-cut 8-inch string. It came with the GT225 trimmer. You take out these 4 screws, and if it's not working or you can't get it to work, when you take this off, this is what you get. Springs. Not very strong springs, but they are springs. And that's how it's supposed to sit. If this one pops out, or this one, see, when I tried doing our camera here. Right? Okay, now, that piece goes in there with me. And then this pin goes in, holding the spring into the hole. And you see this notch? That notch goes in there. Like that. When you put it on, you'll put it on and you'll push. You see, where is it? This notch. There's a notch here. I don't know where it is, but right there. So line that up with that, and then you'll push this pawl in. I just used a piece of string when I got it like line up the thing here. I think that's pretty close. But that's the notch. And you can see I'm off a bit. So I'm just going to turn it and then push in that spring. Just wait a second. I'll leave it together. So I push that one in. Now it's this one. So you push that in. Let me see if I can. I don't have my tripod, so you're gonna push that up that way so that can clamp together. Push it all the way up. You can't see it in there, but you see that little silver? That's how far it's got to go. And that's all it is to this system.